I posted this clip where this trader is talking about what to look for in the price action between imbalance and balance. I wanted to present a couple slides that make this crystal clear and super easy for people to follow. So he's talking about fair value, which is another word for consolidation. So you see the price action going up and down in this region, fair value consolidation. And he's talking about also price expansion. So if you only focus on two things, trading is fair value and price expansion. Life gets a lot easier. Price expansion is also called AKA imbalance, driven by strong buying or selling pressure, and price moves quickly and efficiently in one direction, either up or down, to the upside or the downside. Fair value equals balance. Buyers and sellers are in equilibrium. Price moves sideways in a range. Another word for consolidation. So let's look at specific examples. So here is SPY since last April. You can see that we went down, hit a support, came back up. This is price expansion. We had fair value. Then we had the price expansion to the downside, hit support, came back up, price expansion. Now we're in fair value, and now we're just breaking out of the fair value, but we could hit our head soon. So we got to be careful of that. Trying to keep it as simple as possible. Two concepts throughout each slide. Next slide. I add this indicator, and I discuss in my premium Patreon groups to easily see the transition from support, supply, and demand. And you can see here, same premise in terms of red going down, green going up. Here is the fair value. Again here, which is here, and then the red turning to green and going up, and us breaking out. And then another example we talked about before is the VWAP. If the price action is above the VWAP, we're bullish, which is here. When you start getting a high of highs, it indicates that apex is happening or consolidation might be happening right here. So you hear that it's a consolidation of fair value gap. The fair value is right here. And then again, so you see the price action below the VWAP. And then once it's switched, you have a new lower low. Now you can see the price action above the VWAP, which is bullish. And again, the fair value. So if we really simplify it, you have your demand zone, more buyers, you have the push here, and you have the price expansion. Now you have your supply zone here. Sellers are stopping your forward momentum, your upward momentum, consolidation. It went down. Demand zone comes up. Supply zone. Sellers and buyers always fighting, but looking simply at the balance and imbalance. And finally, this slide, please pause it, read through it. Ideally, the market cycle is a fair value, price expansion, new fair value, price expansion, or it could be, in this case, the price expansion to this downside is also an option here. Hope this helps so you understand between fair value, price expansions. If you like this and showed value, these slides showed value to your arsenal of trading, please like and subscribe.